The magic of potatoes. Surprising health benefits. Did you know that potatoes are super healthy for you? Yep, they're not just tasty fries. Potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals that help keep our bodies strong and healthy. They have lots of fiber, which is good for our tummies, and they can even help us feel full for longer. Potatoes are great for our brains too. They have something called potassium, which helps our brains and nerves work properly. So, eating potatoes can actually make us smarter. Plus, they're full of energy, so they're perfect for giving us a little boost during the day. Nail Care 101. Tips for healthy nails. When it comes to nail health, a few simple habits can make a big difference. Start by keeping your nails clean and dry to prevent bacteria and fungus from forming. Avoid using harsh chemicals or excessive filing, as these can weaken your nails. Instead, use a gentle nail polish remover and a moisturizing hand cream to keep your nails hydrated. Make sure to trim your nails regularly and file them in one direction to prevent splitting. Lastly, protect your nails by wearing gloves when doing chores or working with harsh chemicals. By following these tips, you can keep your nails strong, healthy, and looking their best. Today, let's talk about the amazing world of vegan mushrooms. Mushrooms are not just any ordinary fungi, they're packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. And guess what? They're completely plant-based, making them a perfect fit for a vegan diet. These earthy delights are super versatile. You can slice them up and toss them into a stir-fry, blend them into a creamy soup, or even grill them for a savory treat. The possibilities are endless, But mushrooms aren't just delicious. They're also incredibly nutritious. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones, and B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy. What's more, mushrooms are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and keep your immune system strong. And if you want more tasty tips and tricks like this, don't forget to follow us for more videos. Let's mushroom your way to a healthier you.